Oh, अच्छा अच्छा.
I mean, those will be able to run. Is it a Beamer?
Another charger. Long list of beautiful cars.
I think this is the newer one than that one.
This is a fastback, I think.
Yeah. Wow.
There's another Mustang, right? That's so cute. Oh, that's another. I thought he will be running us down.
I was thinking the same thing. I was like, okay, I'm gonna dine today. No, I'm not.
At least under a vintage car.
Under a vintage car.
That's a Mercedes. That's a 280 SL or 200.
No.
W120, W124 series or 22 series.
I know.
Cola. Huh?
Like the car number 067.
Where they one after the other?
It can be that. Look at that. Wow. Really? No, I like it. I like it. Money, patience, everything is needed. Okay.
I wish we can get hold of that kind of paper he has.
Yeah, maybe talk to the guy who is driving. Maybe.
There's no sound.
Yeah, It rolls after all.
What name?
What sound?
Yeah.
Music to the ears.
The action music. It'll start.
So that's a Volkswagen. I think that's a Volkswagen BTC.
No, I haven't seen.
That's a rear engine.
Oh, I haven't seen that car. Actually, वो तो कैसे नहीं है? हाँ, ये कल आ सकते हैं. ऊपर आ रहेगा? But you can spend time alone here as well.
Let me see if I can buy another ticket for my wife and we can come down.
Yeah,
Same
it's
car,
available
no?
on the counter.
Is it?
Yeah, you can buy from there as well.
This is also Tamil Nadu. I think this is an MG. I think it's an MG.
Is it?
I guess so.
I think so. Yeah, it's an MG.
This is 100% Studebaker Commander. Yeah.
It's president.
Oh, it's President. Oh, the front looks so. This is also an MG. Oh gosh.
Oh. Now it will be fun when you go back there.
Yeah. At least we have been able to capture in movement.
Yeah. What? No. I mean, हाँ. There is, I don't know, cultural programs का क्या है? Timeless.
Oh, this is an Alfa Romeo.
Yeah.
Not a
It's an
E-Type.
Alfa.
It's an Alfa Romeo.
It's an Alpha.
I think it's Spider. Why isn't that Ford Thunderbird going? Weird character.
Nice. This is what the new Royal Enfield guy. Loud exhaust. It'll absorb more power.
Is it?
Yes. It reduces the power. It's
I
just for
thought-
the noise that you want to reduce. But I sure do like the logo.
You will go again.
And there's something called as back pressure from the engine. So that
That's a Hindustan 14. Or a Hillman. I think Hillman?
Ford.
Ford.
Yeah, so that back pressure absorbs a lot of power.
Okay.
So the exhaust brake,
हाँ
I don't know, what is it?
कि वो exhaust brake
एग्जॉस्ट
या
वो उसको इस करके इंजन का आरपीएम कम कर देते हैं, वो उसको हवा निकलने से रोक देते हैं।
रोल क्या है, लाइक व्हाई डू वी यूज इट?
और ब्रेकिंग मतलब
All my friends in Calcutta has got solid stuff.
maybe I should go to Calcutta with you next
No,
time.
yeah, absolutely. The roads. Oh boy. Did you see the name?
Yeah.
What was it? Rolls.
No, it was
It's a Bentley, no?
It's a Bentley. But why is it? How can it be so quiet?
Hardly any noise.
Yeah, hardly you could hear.
Only the squash of the
Yes.
tire on the gravel.
Yeah. I don't see
You're doing the
myself-
same thing which I did.
I don't see myself building
Come
a car.
on.
I have an interest of looking at them
You should
and building them.
build.
But I
live
will-
your
I-
Alfa Romeo.
Nah. Oh God. Oh. Oh.
Let's try.
The exhaust. I think it's over. There's one beetle coming. There's one beetle coming. That's all.
I think this is a Studebaker, no?
I am not sure.
Could be a Studebaker, for sure.
भाई कर लो यहाँ से सारी आ जाएगी ना
आपकी एंट्री
डबल में पता है कितने का ये?
एंट्री हो जाएगी वहाँ